Hello everyone, so I want to talk to you today about random experiments. So what is a random experiment? An experiment whose outcome is unknown to us. That essentially is the definition of a random experiment. A few examples, so say you roll a dice and you don't know after you roll the dice what number you get. It could be a 1, a 2 or a 3, you have no idea, that's a random experiment. However, you do know that the number will lie between 1 and 6. Say you spin a wheel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You don't know what number you get when you spin the wheel, except for the fact that it's going to be a number between 1 and 8, so you can't get a 9. And say the price of the stock market at the end of the day, you have no idea what that will be. That could be anything. So those are examples of random experiments. Moving on to what we call sample points or elementary outcomes, which are usually denoted by omega. So this is the result of a trial. So a sample point is the result of a random experiment or a random trial. So for example, back to the dice example, say we roll a dice and say after the roll we get a number 1. 1 is a sample point. It's the outcome of rolling the dice. Similarly with the spinner, say we spun the spinner, yeah, sure, why not? And we get the number 7. This is the result of a random experiment, so on. The next definition is a sample space, which is big omega. So little omega was one single outcome of a random experiment. Big omega is the set of all possible elementary outcomes. So say we roll our dice again, what are the set of all possible outcomes we could get? Well, we could get a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, or a 6. We can't get a 7, for example. Similarly, with the spinner, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. You can't get a 9, you can't get a 10. So it's a set of outcomes, of all possible outcomes which could happen. And these are some simple definitions of probability. Thank you for watching.